To start off today's vlog, I am at Fish Cake for Scrapbook Club. Yes, again, I'm always here every single month whenever we host Scrapbook Club. Today I finished my scrapbooking rather early, and so I brought some of my other crafts to do because I figured I would finish early since I didn't have much backlog of junk to put in my book. I brought this quilt that I've been working on. It's a Hawaiian quilt pillow, so I just worked on that for the rest of Scrapbook Club. For Saturday, we went to Makia Market. The theme for this month's market was Trader Joe's. I was really excited because I placed a huge order with the organizers and they brought back all the Trader Joe's snacks that I ordered. So that's going to be my snacks for the rest of this month. Because Ward Village is being closed down soon, I went to Kamitoku Ramen and I got takeout of their ramen for the last time in a while since I don't know when they're going to reopen again. I love their beefy wild ramen, so that is what I bought. And I'm just putting it together and I'll warm it up, then eat my lunch. I'm back again at the Hawaii Library and Friends book sale. As the final days of the book sale draws near, they have a lot of sales. They have a 50% off sale, and on the last day there's a 50-cent sale where everything is 50 cents. Then after I went to Inari Factory to get their half off sushi. Then I went to Cook Street to get their buy one get one drinks. I had the strawberry matcha and the hojicha strawberry. Here are the inari that I bought. I also got hand rolls, good variety there. All of it was on sale. Good morning. Right now it's 6:26. I think my GoPro is like putting the wrong timestamps on any of the videos I'm recording. Sorry, I'm out of breath because I was busy packing. Right now I'm on my way to the beach. Just trying to see if the bakery is open. Oh, what? They are closed on Sunday. Oh, no. Why is he only giving me the food truck? Oh, wait, kiwi. Oh, they're closed on Sunday. Okay, let's just go to the beach. I like arriving at the beach early because, as you can see, there is almost nobody here. I got the whole beach to myself, and I can just relax and spend my time shelling. Found a few cat eye shells. Those are one of my favorite shells. And then I spent the rest of my time just combing the beach, seeing if there's any other nice shells I can find. I did stop by at another beach on my way home. And then I did the long 1-hour drive back. I'm here at the Blaisdell because I'm seeing the Neighbourhood tonight. Anyway, at work today, where the hell is my chipstick? Okay. At work today, they got us bentos, so I have leftover spam with eggs and rice. I'm gonna eat that for my dinner. And then I don't know when they start letting people in. I'm guessing at 6, so I might line up at 6 just to get in because the last time I went to a concert, the merch line was so long. And I spent an hour in the merch line, so I missed an hour of the show. That's why this time I came 2 hours early, parked. I'm gonna eat. Then we get in early enough to buy merch. Yep. Okay, I'll see you guys later.
to your seat. If you are already there, get ready to stand up. The show is about